Hi everyone. Before I give you any advice related to AI automation, I would like to show you my Upwork profile. If you look at it, I have 100k plus in earnings with 300 plus automation jobs, and this is just my individual profile. If you check my agency profile, the number is much higher. I have worked with hundreds of businesses solving real problems and fixing their workflows and building automations that actually work. I am showing you this not to brag, but to prove that the roadmap that I am going to show you is not just theory. It's based on real experience from hundreds of successful businesses. So the first step is like front door automation, where we automate all the stuff that is related to your client leads. When leads are coming, how to handle the leads, how to qualify them, how to nurture them, how to answer the leads when you are not available, how to handle the leads off time. All of that will be covered in the front door, and that is the most important level one that should be done. Then comes the backend operations, where you are connecting your CRM. There are multiple workflows to handle your internal team communication, internal chats, and internal processes so that you can save a lot of time. And in the third phase, that is deep tech, where you build some very specific applications to handle some very specific tasks that are particularly related to your business. In the front door, the level one, there is a chatbot. Chatbot is like a must have. As in 2010, it was must to have a website with a website that is a business identity. Now the chatbot is. Imagine 100k people are coming on your website, but they are not finding the right information that they want. They are looking for answers, but the website cannot answer all questions. A chatbot can. They can just go to your website, ask the relevant question, and chatbot will answer the question, the instruction that you gave. You are not available in your office, you are running a spa, you want to book appointment, the chatbot will take care of it. It will tell, okay, my boss is available from this time to this time for meeting. If you are running an e-commerce website, e-commerce business, the chatbot will tell, okay, these are the products that are best fit for you as per your need, as per the specification you told me, as per your budget. So chatbot can handle all of that. Now, either the leads are coming from WhatsApp, either they are coming on Instagram, either they are coming on website, the same chatbot can handle all of that traffic and convert those 100k impressions to your customer. So it is a must have. I will make another video where I will discuss what are the tools to make a chatbot in the start, in the middle, or if you want an enterprise level chatbot as well. The second thing is the calling agent. There are two types of mainly calling agent, the inbound calling agents and the outbound calling agents. So the difference is outbound calling agent is optional, but inbound is a must to have again. What the inbound calling agent do, so you have a number, you are available for 8 hours, and after that for 16 hours your number is off. But if someone call, AI pick the call, it answer the question, again it book the appointment, and it handle all of it. So you can convert all of those missing leads into revenue. And it can also save a lot of cost. So for example, if you hire a receptionist whose work is just to answer like some questions or to book appointment, a calling agent can handle all of it easily. And then if there is a certain problem, if there is a particular question, it can route that traffic to you so that you can handle those specific questions. The level 2 is connecting the pieces. So chatbot captured the lead. Now how you are qualifying that lead? The revenue should be bigger than this. He should be a decision maker. The industry should be like that. So all of the questions that you have, AI can qualify that lead either on call, either on form, and either by using its own knowledge base. After that, it update it on your CRM. It notifies the relevant department. Either you get updates on Slack, Notion, or whatever CRM you are using. It create tasks on the ClickUp. So all of that can be automated in the second step. How this will work? First, you tell all of your process. First, you write all your process from point A to point Z. What are the steps that can be automated? What are the steps that have more data taking more time, that are of more repetitive nature, and where we can save a lot of time? What are the steps that involve less decision points? It also involve like generating contract, sending the contract, signing it, automatically accepting it, automatically moving it to different stages. The level 3 is deep tech. That are very, very specific applications that only your business is dealing with. So for example, you are a manufacturing industry, you are making a lot of parts, and you want to count it. So there will be a particular AI software that will be made specifically for you that will be counting those parts. You want to add a quality check, like if the bolt length is 20 to 23 it is qualified. If it is larger or less than that, then it is disqualified. And if you want to do with this computer, with AI, with computer vision, AI can do that, but that will be very, very specific application that will be built for you. And there are many dozens of examples here in this phase. Now the question is from where you should start. Either you should go for like a very distraction zone, or the things that are in hype, or you should go into the zone that is practical, that you can implement now with the highest ROI. And where you get the highest ROI, that are like chatbots, calling agent, inbound calling agent, not outbound calling agent. The chatbots on your website, on your WhatsApp, on your Instagram, and then the inbound calling agents to handle the traffic, to the workflow automations in your CRM, in your project management software, in your HR department, internal knowledge base based chatbots that are handling, that are training your internal teams. Once that is done, then we can go for some flashy attempts. So yeah, that's it from my side. If I missed anything, or what are your remarks in 2026, how you are gonna start, or if you have any question, just let me know in comments. If you want to automate your business, and you can contact us on the form that is given in the description. You can also contact us on Upwork as well. Thank you. See you in the next video. In the next video, I will give you the tools list to build all of these automations.